53 update, F100 restoration project is now complete. Hood is on, radiator, grill, new headlamps, tropical sunset orange pearl, blacked out American racing rims, glasses in, emblems are on, fenders, bed flooring is in, new tailgate chains, tail lamps, turn signals, new gas tank, new glass, put in a stereo system, new running boards, same engine, actually new horns, new carburetor. Considering changing out the engine and transmission, it's got the original 3-speed on the column. Very low gear, fine for hauling stuff, just makes it very difficult to drive on the highway. Vinyl interior on the inside, seat, stereo, classic fuzzy dice, new steering wheel, tachometer, headliner, dome lamp. I still have to run the wire for that, but everything though, seat actually pretty comfortable. Seat belts I put in when this truck was made originally in '53 did not have seat belts, just for some thought of added safety. Went ahead and added that. So overall, starts, runs just in time to make it more fun and enjoyable to drive. We'll have to update the engine and the transmission, but overall, after 2 years of a lot of metal work, a lot of activity, a lot of stuff going on, finally completed. I was able to even get the replica Ford truck emblem, which is there. So this is the original grill from '53. These are very hard to find. This is the original, did work. Still have the original hood latch. Still have the traditional hinges, but I do have a tilt forward kit that I'm actually considering putting on. I had some concerns about how the hood would line up, but I actually have very good, when the hood's closed, I actually have very good gaps between the fender and the hood on both sides, so I'm very happy about that. Overall, fairly happy with how it turned out. Like I said, I'm probably going to upgrade in time the engine and the transmission just to make it more enjoyable to drive. The revs pretty high with regards to the third gear, top speed, probably not highway sufficient. And I want this to be able to be something fun to drive, and with having to shift the gears continuously and not being able to drive at highway speeds, just would make it more of a difficulty for driving. So that's the update so far. Thanks for watching.